Setting a profile picture for FaceTime is a great way for your friends and family to spot you easily during calls. If you're wondering how to set or change your FaceTime profile picture on your iPhone, you're in the perfect spot. I've got a simple step-by-step guide to help you out. So let's dive in. Solution 1. Set your FaceTime profile picture. First, go ahead and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on your Apple ID located at the top of the screen. Next, tap on the circular profile icon. Now you'll see options to either take a new photo or select one from your photos. If you choose photo, browse through your photo library and pick the image you want. After that, adjust the photo using the zoom and move tools until it looks just right. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap choose to set the image as your FaceTime profile picture. Finally, tap done to save all your changes. Solution 2. Check your FaceTime settings. Now let's make sure everything's set up correctly. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down a bit. After that, tap on Apps. Next, keep scrolling down and tap on FaceTime. Here, ensure that FaceTime is turned on and that your Apple ID is displayed correctly. You can also check if your profile picture is visible under the FaceTime settings. By following these steps, you'll have your FaceTime profile picture set up in no time, making your calls feel more personal. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tips and stay tuned for our next video.